Growth impairment in infants and young children has been a major problem in low-income countries as nutrient deficiencies are widespread. Growth impairment resulting from malnutrition is among the highest in Malawi, where over 37% of children are stunted. Another important factor affecting child growth is food safety. Aflatoxin is a food contaminant produced by a fungus and often found in a variety of food crops. Chronic aflatoxin exposure impairs child growth by restraining dietary nutrient uptake and suppresses immunity, making them prone to endemic diseases. Most smallholders in rural Malawi traditionally consume maize as a staple, with only recent interventions encouraging the use of legumes and other cereals for dietary diversity. Nutrition-rich crops such as finger millet and pigeon pea are grown for brewing and trading. A 21-day intervention program was carried out by a team of scientists from International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics and the Lilongwe University of Agriculture and Natural Resources in the semi-arid regions of Zimba and Balaka in Malawi. Mothers were given comprehensive training on diversified complementary diets, water, sanitation and hygiene practices, and food safety. During the course of the study, a porridge recipe was developed using the food group approach. It combined locally available nutrition-rich cereals and legumes like finger millet and pigeon pea, in addition to maize, groundnut, carrots, and amaranth leaves to complement and provide all amino acids, vitamins, and minerals required for child growth. This study adopted the learning by doing methodology, which brings in the benefit of using stakeholders' knowledge and practices in order to encourage adoption, ensuring continued results outside the duration of the study. It focused on the participation of mothers who were already raising healthy children to lead cooking and training sessions for mothers with undernourished children. The study demonstrated significant improvements in measures of undernutrition in just 21 days. Increase in weight and mid-upper arm circumference was recorded among children, and incidences of diarrhea reduced drastically. If this model were to be scaled with the help of public and private development partners, the gains made could be significant in eradicating malnutrition in Africa.
So what we have done is we have done 21 days of intensive learning by doing process, where the mothers were trained for 21 continuous days on how to use these crops to make a nutritious food, and also how to maintain the food quality, and by simple post-harvest crop management techniques, and also on good personal hygiene practices. So when all these are integrated and they are trained along with monitoring the child for 21 days from 0th day to 21 day, what happens is mother is actually seeing the change. We connected the mothers who already got training from us with each mother with 4 new other mothers who wanted to learn it, and in that way we could able to expand this knowledge within the community, and they could able to, the mothers were helping each other in this learning process, and it's really good for their own benefit, the community benefit, and we have seen that through this research.